In this video, I'll guide you through how to connect Microsoft OneDrive to PracticePanther. Connecting your Microsoft OneDrive account to PracticePanther is a great way to simplify the way you manage your files and documents. If you regularly work with contracts, case files, forms, or other important documents, having your cloud storage connected directly to PracticePanther can help keep everything organized and easier to access without constantly switching between different applications. Fortunately, the setup process is quick and can be completed directly from your PracticePanther account. To begin, sign into your PracticePanther account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. Once you've reached the home screen, look to the top right corner of the page and click on your profile or account name. This will open a menu containing several account options. From that menu, select Settings to access your account configuration. After the Settings page opens, you'll notice a navigation menu along the left side. Scroll down through the available options until you reach the section labeled Files and Documents. This is where PracticePanther lets you manage document storage providers and file integrations. After opening the Files and Documents section, locate the Microsoft OneDrive option. When you find it, click the green Connect button displayed beneath the OneDrive logo. This starts the authorization process and allows PracticePanther to communicate with your Microsoft OneDrive account. Your browser will then redirect you to Microsoft, where you'll be asked to grant PracticePanther permission to access your OneDrive. Take a moment to review the requested permissions. If you're comfortable with them, click the blue Accept button to continue. This authorizes the connection and allows the two services to work together. After a few moments, the page will automatically refresh and return you to the integration settings in PracticePanther. If the connection was successful, you'll notice that the Microsoft OneDrive option is now active, while any other available storage providers remain inactive. You should also see a disconnect button beneath the OneDrive logo, confirming that your account has been successfully linked. That's all there is to it. Your Microsoft OneDrive account is now connected to PracticePanther, making it easier to store, organize, and access your documents directly from your workspace. Keeping your files connected in this way can help streamline your daily workflow and make document management much more convenient. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helped you complete the setup quickly and successfully.